pa akong sinabi. Wala pa akong sinabi. Okay. Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Hip. Ano? Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Head. Head. Asan na? Nakayuko na ko lahat. Ayo. Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Wala ka. Excited. Sige. Last na yun ha. Last na yun ha. Sige. Kung sino ang makakuha, mag-touch na wala pa kong spoon ha. Out ha. Ala, tapos yung partner niya kailiwan. Ha? Okay. Sige. Straight body. Teka lang, bebe. Ano ko muna ito ha? Yan. Sige. Head. Last na yun ha. Last na yung kanina. Mamaya, pag walang spoon, disqualified na. Okay. Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Sige, go.